29 unique Etsy niche ideas that actually sell like crazy. This YouTube channel discusses various tutorials about Canva and helps you earn money with Canva, so make sure you give thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to this channel because thumbs up, comments, and subscribe are free, guys. Welcome to our video on the top 29 digital products to sell on Etsy to make money. Etsy is a great platform for creatives and entrepreneurs to sell their products and services, and digital products are a great way to get started on the platform. Digital products are great because they are easy to create, easy to sell, and easy to deliver to customers. In this video, we will be sharing with you the top 29 digital products that you can sell on Etsy to make money. First of all, why should you consider selling printable planners on Etsy? For starters, printable planners are a popular and in-demand product on Etsy. With more and more people looking for ways to stay organized and on top of their schedules, printable planners are a valuable tool that can be easily downloaded and printed by the customer. But the real reason to consider selling printable planners on Etsy in 2023 is the growing demand for digital products. As more and more people look to shop online and access products digitally, the market for digital products is only going to continue to grow in the coming years. This means that now is the perfect time to start selling printable planners on Etsy and capitalize on this growing trend. Invitations, parties, weddings, gatherings, and numerous other occasions need invitations. As e-sellers create invitation templates, they can charge a bit more if personalization is available. Facts you may not know: simple invitation templates can reach up to 5,000 purchases. Sophisticatedly designed invitations, for certain occasions, go beyond 6,000 purchases. Customer orders can cost up to $20 per item. Digital illustrations and graphics: these are digital files that customers can use in their own designs and projects. They can be designed in various styles, sizes, and formats, and can include vector graphics, hand-drawn illustrations, and digital paintings. Provide detailed descriptions of your illustrations and graphics, including the size, resolution, and file type. Buyers want to know exactly what they are purchasing, so be as detailed as possible. Number 4 is a digital font and typography. Digital fonts and graphics packs are always in demand on Etsy. From fancy cursive fonts to fun graphic elements, these products can be used in a variety of design projects and add a professional touch to any project. Number 5 is wedding printables. Wedding printables are one remarkable niche on Etsy. These wedding printables are so diverse that they come in the form of a welcome board, table menu, seat organizer, invitation, and decorator. If you're considering selling printable wedding items on Etsy, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, it's important to offer high-quality prints that are visually appealing and look professional. This will help you stand out from the competition and make your printed items more attractive to potential customers. Additionally, consider offering personalized options for your printed items. This can make your prints more unique and special, and can help you stand out in the bustling wedding print market on Etsy. Editable flyers: the list of the top digital items to sell on Etsy need to include editable flyers. Sincere to Etsy, this part of digital downloads is not the most visited. However, given that there are more needs every day, it is currently full with potential. Number 7 is logos and branding kit. Logos and branding kits are another item on our list of digital items to offer on Etsy. When selling logos, the only reasonable price range is between $10 and $35. For branding packages, however, the situation is not the same. Additionally, premium branding packages are priced between $200 and $1,500. Customization is available. You wouldn't be disappointed by the quantity of things bought on Etsy in this company segment. Some of them have surpassed 15,000 purchases. The top digital goods on Etsy for sales include wallpapers as well. From desktop wallpapers to phone wallpapers, these digital downloads might range. So for designers out there, Etsy may be a goldmine. Additionally, you need to create versions that work with various operating systems and screen sizes. Number 9 is a digital clipart and vector. Digital clipart and vectors are graphic design elements that can be easily edited and customized for your creative projects. They're perfect for creating logos, invitations, social media posts, and more. Number 10 is digital coloring pages and activity sheets. In my opinion, this niche is very interesting because it is easy to make and has a lot of enthusiasts who can be divided into two big categories. The first buyers are small children to train their abilities from an early age, and the second buyers are adults to relieve the stress they experience. Number 11 is Lightroom presets. First of all, let's define what a Lightroom preset is. A Lightroom preset is a predetermined set of edits and adjustments that can be applied to a photo with just one click, allowing photographers to achieve a consistent look and feel for their images. Now, why would you want to focus on a specific niche when it comes to Lightroom presets on Etsy? Well, for starters, specializing in a particular niche can help you create presets that are tailored to the specific needs and preferences of that niche, which can make your presets more valuable and desirable to your target audience. For example, if you specialize in creating presets for wedding photographers, you can design presets that enhance the colors and tones of wedding photos and add a romantic and dreamy feel to them. This can make your presets very appealing to wedding photographers who are looking for a quick and easy way to give their photos a professional and cohesive look. Number 12 is business cards or greetings cards. With the advancement of technology, business or greeting cards are currently more relevant digital goods to offer on Etsy. These days, with remote working being the norm, they are even more important because of the COVID-19 pandemic. It's strongly advised to include USPs, unique selling points, while designing computer-based cards for your products. By clicking the address on the cards, the capabilities may enable your consumers to make phone calls or send emails. Number 13 is digital photography and stock images. Stock images are photos that people can use for commercial purposes, such as in advertisements, websites, and blogs. These images are often in high demand, so if you create a collection of beautiful and unique stock images, you can sell them on Etsy and make some extra money. You can also offer different licensing options for your images, such as royalty-free or rights-managed. This will give buyers more flexibility and allow them to choose the option that best suits their needs. You can also offer bundle deals and discounts to encourage buyers to purchase multiple images at once. Number 14 is digital bookmarks. To increase sales, remember to include personalization choices when creating these Etsy digital downloads. In addition to Etsy, Amazon and eBay are also strong online stores to sell digital bookmarks. Etsy Shop Banners. Another well-liked digital product on Etsy is Shop Banners. To increase compatibility, banner designers may quickly alter banners based on customer requests. Such Etsy digital downloads are practical for business owners and turn into cost-effective options for assisting startups and small enterprises. Depending on the design, quality, and number per transaction, you may sell a single banner or a whole set for anywhere between $7 and $50. Number 16 is calendars. Don't forget to include calendars in your Etsy listings for digital goods. A sizable audience eager to pay for your services will probably find you if you make attractive printable calendar templates. In addition, calendars are among the most useful downloads on Etsy. Events, deadlines, and other information can be noted on blank calendars. Most significantly, they are perfect for sellers who want to express their creativity and personalize their products. The 17 digital good to sell on Etsy are cosmetic labels. Coming up with a fresh label requires far more time and work for cosmetic merchants than hiring a designer to do it for you. As a result, you may market to potential clients with handcrafted goods and little cosmetic shops as an Etsy vendor. Soap, jars, bottle labels, and many more items are popular search terms on online shops. Because of this, selling cosmetic labels as digital goods on Etsy is unquestionably a good idea. Number 18 is ebook. Ebooks are a popular digital product on Etsy, with many authors and bloggers using the platform to sell their written works. Ebooks can cover a wide range of topics, including self-help, cooking, and craft tutorials. Selling ebooks on Etsy is a great way for authors and bloggers to monetize their content and reach a wider audience. Number 19 is a thank you card. Thank you cards can never get outdated. Businesses often attach thank you cards with products sent to customers. This aims at expressing appreciation for the support and gaining customer positive feedback. Having impressive card and envelope layouts will help you to earn quite a lot. Besides, selling your digital thank you card in sets at competitive prices may draw more customers' attention to your store on Etsy. Number 20 is SVG cut files. SVG cut files are a popular digital product on Etsy because they can be used with a variety of cutting machines, such as Cricut or Silhouette. SVG cut files are digital files that contain a design that can be cut out of paper, vinyl, or other materials. You can create SVG cut files for a variety of projects, such as home decor or party invitations. Printable wall art. This is the niche that I think I like the most because there are many types of paintings that you can sell in this niche, and you can use AI to make these paintings if you don't have drawing skills. The menu template is recommendation number 22 in this video. Customers, such as owners or planners of restaurants, coffee shops, weddings, parties, bars, etc., can purchase your templates. Decide whatever portion you are most comfortable with. Digital paper patterns and backgrounds. As a designer, I know the importance of having a wide range of backgrounds and patterns to choose from when creating a project. That's why I've compiled a selection of digital papers and backgrounds that are available for purchase on Etsy. These digital papers and backgrounds are perfect for creating invitations, cards, and other digital design projects. They come in a variety of colors, styles, and patterns, so you can start selling on Etsy by focusing on this niche. Social media templates. Endless possibilities for social media template creators are on Etsy. Social media templates would be a great section to kick off if you don't know what digital products to sell on Etsy first. Most businesses are on Facebook and Instagram, and they surely can make use of dynamic templates to attract customers. Gift tags. There is a large demand for printable gift tags among both companies and private buyers on Etsy. The categories of gift tags for holidays, birthdays, and other special events are undoubtedly competitive. Website templates and themes. If you're a web designer or developer, you're probably always on the lookout for new ways to monetize your skills. And one of the best ways to do that is by selling your website templates on Etsy. Before you start creating your templates, it's important to think about who your target audience is. Are you going to focus on a specific industry, like e-commerce or real estate? Or are you going to offer a more general selection of templates that can be used for any kind of website? By choosing a niche, you can better tailor your templates to the needs of your potential customers. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to start designing and developing your templates. Make sure to include all the features and functionality that your customers will need, and test your templates thoroughly to ensure they're free of bugs and errors. Stickers. Stickers, both digital and tactile, are funny. Digital stickers may be applied to messages on Telegram and Facebook. With a variety of animations and expressions, they really make talks more enjoyable. Physical stickers are also great for decorating. Why are you so afraid to make stickers? Number 28 is digital scrapbooking elements and kits. Digital scrapbooking kits are a fun and creative way to preserve memories. These kits typically include a variety of digital elements, such as backgrounds, patterns, and embellishments, that customers can use to create their own scrapbook pages. Embroidery patterns. Last but not least, you might be surprised to learn that there are more than 700,000 embroidery pattern searches on Etsy. In reality, several online vendors have included embroidery patterns in their Etsy stores and generated sizable sales. Each of these products has the potential to be a top seller on Etsy, and with the right marketing and branding, you can turn your digital product into a successful business. So if you are a creative entrepreneur looking to sell your products on Etsy, consider creating one of these top 29 digital products. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next, and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.